Hello guys,
Hello,
it's Dee from Tasty Thais,
And Katie!
and today we're gonna be making mango lassi. Lassi is just a milkshake made from yogurt. It's very famous in India, and there's two styles, sweet and salty. We don't like our lassi too thick, so we're gonna add ice to thin it down, and since it's hot over here, the ice will cool it down too. We're gonna add palm sugar and coconut milk for that gentle Thai taste.
And you're good.
Let's go and make it. So we're gonna add the yogurt in first. So let's give it a stir.
So big.
And let's
It's
go
like a
again.
combo. And actually smell good.
And we're gonna add the coconut milk in. Half a cup of coconut milk.
3, 1.
I'm gonna use one mango, one ripe
And I'll
mango.
stay with.
So under the skin of the mango, there's fiber, and near the knot, there's the fiber too. The fiber helps your digestive system, so we're gonna add that in too. I'm gonna cut the side down because it's easy to cut. So I'm gonna scoop the mango out and put it in the blender. Now I'm gonna take the skin out of around the middle of the mango, so we can get all the mango and not waste any. So it is very slippery, so make sure you grab it nicely so it doesn't drop. And mind your fingers. So I tied it up, and now I'm gonna dissolve the sugar in warm water so we don't have bits in the lassi. 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. Gonna add it in the lassi. Half a cup of ice. Now I'm gonna blend it. Nice, done. I'm gonna pour some out onto a glass. So I've got crystalline brown sugar, chocolate granola from 80 cereal, and some saffron.